In this video, I will show you exactly how to transform your static designs into interactive digital experiences by adding hyperlinks using Adobe Express. Whether you are creating a digital flyer, a professional resume, or a clickable social media portfolio, knowing how to link your text is a fundamental skill that elevates your work. To get started, open your project and identify the specific text box on your canvas where you want to place the link. Once you have found it, click on the text box to select it. Now you have two ways to proceed. You can either right-click on the text box to bring up the context menu, or you can use a handy keyboard shortcut to speed things up. Simply press Ctrl+K if you are using a Windows computer, or Command+K if you are on a Mac. This action will immediately bring up the Link Options menu right next to your selection. In the link field that appears, you will need to paste your website address. It is very important to make sure your URL is complete and includes the prefix HTTPS at the beginning, because this ensures the link functions properly once your project is published. After you have pasted the address, double-check it for any typos to make sure it directs your viewers to the correct page. Once you are satisfied, click the Done button to save your changes. You will notice that your text might change appearance slightly to indicate it is now interactive. When you share your project as a live link or download it as a PDF, your audience will be able to click directly on that text to visit your website or social media profile. It is a seamless way to drive traffic and provide more value through your designs without cluttering the layout with long web addresses. Experiment with different styles to make your call to action stand out. I hope this quick tutorial helps you create more engaging content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.